Hi everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel, The Tastyrcraft. Today I am here with yet another simple recipe, that is Aloo Gobi. This is a great lunchbox recipe which requires minimum ingredients. Let's get started and see the process.
Let's begin with by preparing a paste using an inch of ginger, 6 to 10 garlic cloves and a green chili. You can increase the green chili quantity if you want more spicy. Grind it to a smooth paste. Paste is ready now. In a kadai, add some oil. We need little extra oil here. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 medium sized onion and fry it a bit. Now it's time to add the paste what we have prepared just now. Ginger, garlic and a green chili paste. Mix it together. Let it cook for a minute. Add salt according to your taste. Now add 1 medium sized tomato. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder or dhania powder. Mix all the masalas well. Keep the flame on the low so that masala won't get burnt. Add 1 cup of water. Let it cook for a minute. Now masala is cooked. Now it's time to add potatoes and gobi. This is 3 medium sized potato which I have peeled and cut into cubes. Mix the masala with the vegetables. It's looking a little crowdy now. Once cooked, everything gets settled. No need to add water. Close the lid and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's done. You can check with the fork whether the vegetables are cooked or not. Like that, you can check randomly. It's done now. Isn't it a simple recipe? All the ingredients what we have used here is easily available.
I hope you like this lunchbox recipe. Hit the like button if you like it. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching me.